Hi everyone, it's Janis here, and in this video we will explore what is meal prep. To save time, mental energy and start eating healthy, you can use this simple but effective strategy. If this is your first time on this channel, then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates on my latest videos about time management and productivity. Meal prep, also called meal preparation, is the process of strategically planning and preparing your meals. The idea behind meal prep is to prepare your meals in batches so that you can save time and energy. To start meal prepping, you need to have the following: recipes for 1 week's meals, shopping list for those meals, food storage tabs, and a kitchen scale. I have been meal prepping for the last 3.5 years of my life, and it's been absolutely amazing because I've been saving a lot of my time and eating healthy. There are multiple benefits when it comes to meal prepping, so let's take a look at some of them. First, eating healthy. The reason why people eat unhealthy meals is that they make last-minute choices. When you have a healthy meal prepared in the fridge, then you don't have to make poor decisions. Second, saving time. If you do the meal prep correctly, you'll be looking at saving at least 5 to 10 hours every week. That is a lot of time that you can use to work towards your goals. Third, saving energy. Preparing meals randomly requires us to make many tiny decisions, and that drains our energy. While if we batch cook, we don't have to worry about any of that. If you want to learn more about how I approach my meal prep, then I suggest you to watch my complete video tutorial. I'll put the link in the description below. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I was able to give you a quick summary of what meal prep is and why it's important. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could press the like button, as this will help the video reach more people and spread the message.